So by request, today's tutorial is going to be on the giraffe. Here it is. A giraffe, for those who don't know, is a bite handle scissor into a middle finger roll into a ring reverse chaplain. Okay? So, alright. I haven't seen a good tutorial on this trick yet, so hopefully I can fix that. Warning, prerequisite, you need to be good at doing a scissor into a full twirl. Just like that. There can't be any hang up. It needs to pretty much be autopilot. All right. The first thing you need to know how to do is a regular scissor. So safe handle into full twirl. I will give a brief tip. Throw the knife slightly back and come in like this. So that was bad. Hold on. All right. Now practice that. All right. So I got interrupted. However, what you need to be able to do is do the safe handle scissor into a full twirl. Practice until that's perfect and you don't feel any resistance. Like it shouldn't hang up at all. And then really what you have to do is go into a bite handle scissor. I would just start by doing the same thing, the full twirl, to get comfortable with it. You're not going to get cut by it. At no point does your finger come into contact with the blade. It's only on the bite handle. So you can actually just loop it with whip rollovers and such. Once you can do that, what you're going to need to do is, it's pretty, like it's easy to explain, it's hard to do. So you do the full twirl and then you're just going to let go with the ring finger. And that is literally all you do to get that rolling. Like if you do the full twirl and then seamlessly let go, it's going to roll. So when you do that from the bite handle, you do the full twirl, you let go, and then immediately put that ring finger right here. The next step would be doing this. All right, so you're gonna do the bite handle scissor, catch it here, and now when you catch it, make sure you give it time to close. So you actually do catch it. You don't just stick your finger in there. You gotta catch it, let it start to close, and then right as it's about to go, you start that chaplain. A good drill for that would be to do what I said originally and do the bite handle scissor, catch this handle, and then swing it up to get used to that motion. Then what you can do to bring it all together is do the bite handle scissor, swing it over, swing it up, but then as you're swinging it up, let go and start the chaplain. As you catch it with your ring, you are then going to let go and start your chaplain by going down and then forward. So down and back and then forward and up. All right, guys, I really hope that helps. I'm sorry I couldn't give more information, but this is really all there is to it. It's pretty awkward to get the hang of at first because no other trick really does that twirl into a roll, especially if you're kind of like, you know, the lower end of advanced. You probably haven't experimented with stuff like that. So just do the progression, do the scissor to full twirl, which I didn't just do there, like that, and then do the bite handle scissor to full twirl, then do the bite handle scissor full twirl. Well, I can't do it slow, but let go and catch the safe handle like this, swing it up, and then finally, as you're swinging it up, start that chaplain. And you're going to start the chaplain in this motion, making like a C away from you. And then to end it, just catch it with your middle finger. Well, that's what I do. So I'll do this, catch it, and then swing it out, put my index in, and then go from there. But you can do whatever you want, but that's just how I do it. So good luck, dudes.